ancestors had created for us. But what you are lacking is the inspiring moment, which is in the conclusion. Like, you can improve your conclusion by urging people to appreciate, talking to the people, you inspire them what really the Songkok defines us. You can talk, you can say that this Songkok is our identity, our race identity, our religion identity. Like that is more proper for my opinion. Okay, I think there are things that you can improve, which is your voice projection. You can you can press the important words from the start to the end of the speech. Your voice is monotonous.
Oh, monotonous.
Yes, monotonous. So, indeed, while you are giving a speech, you can, as an example, this is a very important thing. The Songkok. You can do like this. This is a very important thing. The Songkok, like that. You can press the word you want the audience to hear. Besides that, your speech is quite excellent, and that's all. Thank you.
Good.